Angela from Lord Puffer Cigars, and I have the beautiful Carabella with me today. And we just wanted to invite you to a Drew Estate event that we're having Saturday, August 18th from noon to close. And I even hear from a little bird that Willie Herrera is going to be joining us. Don't miss this day out. We're going to have awesome blowout deals like we always do. Some of the specials include you buy a box, you get 10 free cigars, buy 2 boxes, get a free box on top of that, plus a ton of swag because Kara's the queen of bringing
Tons of swag.
all the cool swag.
Tons of swag.
What else are we
Lots of great raffle prizes as well.
Oh yeah, lots of raffle prizes. Jonathan Drew's coming out? Or no, the Jonathan Drew Brands.
John Drew Brands will be here that afternoon. John Drew Brands just launched in California about a month and a half ago, so we are going to have a couple people from his company in town, and they're going to be mixing up their cocktails all afternoon, so join us.
I had those cocktails at IPCPR. They totally kicked ass. Yes. And for all you Liga nerds, we're having the new Liga sizes that got released at IPCPR here, and we're going to have a barbecue, cocktailing all day, and we're even going to do a pig roast. So make sure you guys save the day, August 18th, Saturday, be there.
See you there.
Ciao.